ये प्रेगनेंसी में लोग पेटीकोट कहाँ पहनते हैं? कहाँ पहनूं? नीचे, बीच में या ऊपर?
क्या हुआ?
ये कहीं पेटीकोट पहनने का कंफ्यूजन।
What is the confusion? Tell me.
I don't know where to wear it. Should I wear it on top? Should I wear it in the middle, or should I wear it down below?
Okay, now, hi everyone. We are addressing a lot of questions that all the pregnant women have been asking me, और उनको समझ में नहीं आता है because this is the first pregnancy.
Yes, it is my first pregnancy.
And during my first pregnancy, trust me, when I was carrying Ratika, I had tons of questions and literally no manual to answer those. But definitely, this is a video for all those pregnant women. Okay, if you tie it here, I feel the sari बहुत झूलने लग जाता है. And after some time, this starts falling even more lower. So this is definitely an absolute no-no. Now when you tie it here, what happens? When you sit, तो क्या होता है ये, क्योंकि बीच में जब आप बैठते हो ना तो ये ग्लाइडन करके ऊपर चला जाता है. ठीक है, ये हमें पता है, ये पूरा का पूरा ग्लाइडन कर जाता है. ये जो साड़ी पहनते हैं उनको डेफिनेटली इसका एक्सपीरियंस है. तो थोड़ा सा हम इसको ऊपर बांधते हैं. अब ऊपर कहाँ बांधते हैं? ये वाले जगह पे. ठीक है, सो यहाँ बांधने से क्या होता है कि जब आप बैठते भी हो तो वो सरक के जाएगा कहाँ? बिकॉज दिस इज नैरो, दिस इज ब्रॉड एंड दिस इज अगेन नैरो. सो जो नैरो पार्ट है अगर आप उस पर टाई करोगे, सो व्हाट हैपेंस इज when you're even if you're sitting, it's not going to glide down. So now the thing that you all wanted to know, where to tie, is solved.
Perfect. Dolly,
Yeah.
how tight can I tie this?
So the thing is, during pregnancy, I always say don't wear your saris. Don't wear too heavy saris. So when you have this deco is designed in such a way that it's got elastic here.
Okay.
And you're not going to wear very heavy saris. So don't tie it too tightly because I don't want you to have those lines here or discomfort here. Any which ways, we've got this brilliant elastic which holds the fabric. And I keep telling you all, no heavy saris. So I think tying it this much, where you can have your 2 fingers inside, is absolutely all right. Not too tight, thinking that, the sari might come off or something like that. It's not required. This is absolutely okay.
Okay. Dolly,
Yeah.
आप बोल रहे हो तो मैं साड़ी तो पहन लूंगी, but is it going to be safe to wear it? And especially because it's my baby shower, I want to be very comfortable.
Safe in what sense? Tell me.
I don't want the sari to be all over the place. Baby shower तो आप जानते हो, everyone's gonna come, bless me, want to hug me. I don't want the sari to be.
No, I'm going to give you a drape. You don't have to worry. And this drape is also for all those pregnant women who are feeling that they want to wear a sari but they don't know which drape to do. Try this drape. It's beautiful. There's no fabric lingering around. It's so tight and fitted and easy at the same time. And I think this is one drape that I also did during my pregnancy.
Is this drape gonna put any pressure on the belly?
Where is the pressure, Papa? Where is the pressure? I mean, no. Questions you girls come up with. Okay, this drawstring and belly and your baby. When you wear those denims, you never say that. When you wear tight-fitted skirt during your pregnancy, you never say that. But when there is a decoat or when there is a petticoat or when there is a sari, all these questions come up. This one string is giving pressure to your baby. Baba re baba. Nothing happens like that. See, they say there's a lot of layers inside.
Yes.
It's not that if you wear anything here, it's going to hurt your baby. And first thing I told you, don't tie your drawstring too tight. See, 2 fingers, in fact 4 fingers inside. It's so easy, it's so comfortable, so relax.
Great.
I mean, I don't even know what more questions she's going to come up with, but this is a manual, guys, to all the pregnant ladies. Okay, let's do this beautiful drape that I'm doing. So I'm just making some pleats. And, since it's your baby shower. And also, if you see, bandhani is something that people always wear during their baby showers. So it's like, and the best part about bandhani is, इसके अंदर जो काम रहता है वो बहुत भारी नहीं रहता है.
Okay.
ये जो फैब्रिक रहती है बहुत हल्की रहती है और इसको जैसे ही आप पहनते हो ना, ये अपने आप में इतनी रिच लगती है कि you don't have to do anything too heavy.
Absolutely.
So I'm just making some pleats behind. And so when I did this drape during Ratika's time, you know, I really feel that was one of the most comfortable drape during pregnancy. So this length we can take, and I'm just going to add a pin here.
Pin?
Yeah.
Is it not going to hurt me?
Hurt you? Why, Mama? People feel scared about using safety pins, but if you use these stainless steel double lock pins, see this is, so see how it is, it's this, so you lock this and then you double lock this, so there's no way you can, you know, with any pressure it's going to come off.
Okay.
So always make sure that you use only stainless steel and double lock pins. So you know,
Okay.
the doubt that you have that it's going to hurt you,
Yeah.
it's not.
No, because I was worried अगर खुल गया बीच में तो
कुछ नहीं खुलेगा बाबा. एंड ऑल्सो दादी लोग इस बारे में क्यों नहीं सोचते पता. माई दादी, till what I had known, she never used one single safety pin on a sari. Not even one single safety pin, and she used to really run around, do everything. But दादी ने आज तक एक सेफ्टी पिन नहीं लगाया. But that's how she could manage. माँ लोग इतनी साड़ी में भारी काम पहनते भी नहीं थे, like the way we do. But you know, you don't need a lot of safety pins when you're actually wearing a decode, Baba. So with this elastic, it gives you a double security any which ways. The drawstring is also there. So you need one shoulder pin and one pin here. Not like, you know, the other people who use like 10-15 pins to secure their sarees. You don't need to do that.
Okay.
So after you made this pleat, just leave a little cow here and start making. You just fix this, yeah, here. And you start making your lower pleats. I think that's it. See, it's damn easy. I feel apart from anything else that people wear during their baby shower, I think they should definitely wear a sari. It just looks so beautiful. So after you've done this, what you do is just tuck in all the fabric, making it neat and clean from here. And just clean this up. Just please 1 second. Yeah. And also I've got this false fabric attached for you if you see. See this one.
Yes.
It's also for all those female who are tall. And I feel in bandhani, you should always get this attached because, you know, bandhani को हम पूरा नहीं खोलते.
Okay.
और क्यों नहीं खोलते? बिकॉज इसकी क्रिंकल खत्म हो जाएगी. सो इन दैट केस आपकी साड़ी हो सकता है छोटी बड़ी, और यू नो दिस ऑल्सो टेक्स अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ योर फैब्रिक. सो आई थिंक इट्स ग्रेट टू गेट फॉल्स फैब्रिक अटैच्ड.
It's a great idea.
Yeah. So you just put this and you tuck the whole thing inside. See, it just goes in easily. But अगर आप ड्रॉस्ट्रिंग बहुत टाइट करते तो एक तो डिस्कम्फर्ट होता और एक अंदर जाता नहीं. Even without safety pin, see, you're feeling secured, aren't you?
Absolutely.
Yeah, you're feeling secure because of the elastic belt that's there. It doesn't hurt you. Doesn't give me one more pin, guys. It doesn't hurt you. It doesn't give you bruises, and it's so damn safe. Again, are you scared?
No.
No.
Not anymore.
Not anymore. So this is it. You just use this, and that's it.
Great.
And this, it comes this side, and I'm just going to take it here. अब देखो हमने ये प्लीट्स बना ली और ये ऐसे लेते हैं, ठीक है. इसी साड़ी में क्या होता है ना, सारे प्लीट्स अगर नीटली गिरे ना तो अपने आप वो ड्रेप सुंदर लगने लग जाती. अच्छा देखो अब ये क्या है, एक तो ये स्टाइल है, ठीक है. यू कैन जस्ट लीव इट लाइक दिस, बट आई फील इस पे क्या हो रहा है. लेट्स सी इन द मिरर.
Yeah, sure.
या व्हाट आई फील इज इसमें तुम्हारा ऑरेंज बहुत ज़्यादा छुप जा रहा है. सो आई फील देयर इज अनदर वे दैट यू कैन डू इट. इज ये वाली चीज़ यहाँ रही.
हाँ.
उसके बाद व्हाट यू डू इज, गाइस फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू, इसको तो मैं ड्रिप कर दे रही हूँ बट आपको खुद ड्रिप करना है. तो ये देखो आपको क्या करना है. ये वाली जो साइड है इसकी आप ऐसे, ये वाला जो साइड है इसकी आप छोटी छोटी प्लीट्स बनाओ. लाइक सी आई एम मेकिंग दिस छोटे छोटे प्लीट्स. सी दिस जस्ट लुक्स ब्यूटिफुल फ्रॉम बिहाइंड ऑल्सो. या लुक एट दिस. आप यहाँ लाओगे और इसको यहाँ पे, so it just gives you a layer here. It's like a cowl here, and sorry, it's like pleats here, and this also shows a little more extra orange, which looks fab. If you want to add a belt, you can also add a belt here, but I just feel belt हो सकता है इस stage में थोड़ा डिस्कम्फर्ट दे.
Okay.
So I would say, I mean, बहुत सारे लोग लगाते हैं, but I would personally say you can avoid it. So this is how it is. Let me just do the finishing for you.
Yes, please.
How scared, how nervous are you? Tell me.
I think a little scared, little nervous, but very excited.
Very excited, aren't you? I know when I delivered Ratika, and when I actually, because Ratika was normal delivery, and when the doctor said you've given birth to a baby girl, and I was like, oh my god, I want to see her. And when I just took Ratika in my arms, that pain that I went through was gone.
Wow.
Was gone. I swear this is the kind of feeling that only a mother will be able to express, understand, and relate. So it's something, I mean, even today when I just close my eyes, I can just feel that warmth that I got, and I forgot everything. Like I literally forgot, and itna pain, like I had pain for good 6-7 hours. And it was just gone.
Wow.
I just wanted to have Ratika, feed Ratika, play with Ratika, do it. And the doctor's like, take it slow, darling. So yeah, it's a beautiful moment. It's like, cherish it, and you're looking so pretty. And I hope
Thank
you're
you.
feeling comfortable
Very,
in the
very.
petticoat that you've worn. Because normal petticoats, because they don't have this elastic, it just makes you feel as if everything is snugged inside. And there's something which is tight.
Absolutely.
With this drawstring and elastic, you won't feel that pressure. So I think that it's not all about the D-coat, but it is also all about the D-coat. It just makes you feel so comfortable. And I can keep saying this because, not only during pregnancy, for also, those female who are little plus size, I feel they immediately just say me that, Dolly, the moment I wear a D-coat, how it just changes everything and makes me feel so comfortable.
Very true.
So yes, have a great time, and you're looking fabulous and
Thank
beautiful.
you. Comfort is paramount, so
Yeah.
it's really important.